Oil drain plug is right there. We have our oil catch can right here. It's kind of aimed behind a little bit because the oil's going to come out that way. In this case, we're using a 14mm socket on our ratchet, and to loosen, right onto that middle stud there. So it screws in right there. And you just try to make it flush as you turn it. So if it's flat as you turn it, it should grab, and you'll know when it grabs.
I'll use the oil filter wrench. Great. And lefty-loosey. Just a word of the wise, take the filter off second. Take the plug out first. Even if you think you can catch all of this stuff in the pan,